Hello and welcome back to Skysize tutorials. Today we learn about webhooks in Odoo. So you can do two kinds of things with webhooks in Odoo. First of all, you can just create a webhook linked to a button. So for that, we go to server action. So we create a new one. We create, say, update name of contact, for example, and you click here on send webhook notification. So for this, what it will do is that when this action is called, it will call the URL that you put here with the fields that you want, and you have an example of the payload that will be received. So for example, if you have to interface Odoo with another software, for example, when here in this case, you want to change the name of a contact and you want to change the name of the contact in the other software, you can just make it here. So you put HTTPS, you put my other software slash webhook, we say user update, for example. You say the field. So here we said we want to update the name. We have to put the model first, of course. So here will be a contact, and we'll put the name here. There you go. And now you can see here in the sample payload, you have the name. And so if you want this to appear, you create a contextual action. So now let's see what this does. So if you go here to contact, you take any contact, you will have now a new action, which is update name of contact. So this is the action we just created. So when you click it, it will call the webhook of your other software to update it. So this is a bit manual. It can be necessary sometimes, but you want something a bit better. So now we can do automation. So here we're going to do automated rules. So we will create a new one. And so here we will say update name on change. So here we don't want to click on a button because it's easy to forget. We want to do it automatically. So here we do it on contact. We do the same thing, and we can have a trigger. So you have a bunch of different trigger, but here will be on save. So here you add your action. Once again, you click send webhook. You put the URL of your other software, my other software.com/webhook, the field that you want. So here we just want to send the name. There you go. You save and you close. And there you go. So now, every time that you save here a contact, the webhook will be called. But to make sure that we don't want to apply it to everything all the time, you can edit the domain. So you can see here the apply on means you can choose, for example, a certain tag or a certain country where you want it to apply. So if you say, for example, every contact in Belgium, then when you update a contact in Belgium, it will call the webhook, of course. And lastly, here we just do it on name change. So if you change, for example, in the VAT number, the address, you don't want to trigger this webhook. So for that, it's easy. On the when updating, you have to select your name, just like that. So now, when you save a contact and the name is changing, it will call this action of sending a webhook notification. So that way you can make sure that your software are always in sync. So that's it for today's tutorial about webhook. Like and subscribe so you get notified for the next tutorial. See ya.